everyone. In Year 5, we have been reflecting on our time in the junior department at LHS. We would like to share our lines of poetry with you.
A is for awesome aftercare. Mrs. Sadat played a crucial role. B is for brilliant Miss B, who taught us all fabulous PE. C is for Mrs. Cobley, caring and kind-hearted. D is for dear Mrs. Dryland, you gave us the confidence we need. E is for each other, we'll continue to be together. F is for fantastic friendships, making new ones along the way. G is for kind Mrs. Gascoigne, who kept our spirits high. H is for head teacher, Mrs. Davis, you're the best. I is for ICT, Miss Williams, the talented typing queen. J is for gentle Mrs. Jeffworth and jolly Mrs. Jackson too. K is for Kingswood, how much fun we had. L is for the yummy lunches cooked by the kitchen crew. M is for Madame Wheeler, merci goes out to vous. N is for the National Space Centre and countless other trips. O is for the office where Mrs. Singh does her thing. P is for Miss Howe and Mrs. Woodcock, we remember you too. Q is for all the questions that we never asked in so many lessons. R is for reading and writing, Mrs. Selmy, you helped us through. S is for superb Miss Sell, who sings tremendously well. T is for teamwork, we're all in this together. U is for ukulele, taught by lovely Mrs. Haig. V is for the values and everything we've learnt. W is for Mrs. Wayman, we'll miss you very much. X is for the excellence book, we are so keen to sign. Y is for the amazing years, it's truly been a blast. And finally, Z is for the zillions of happy memories that we have shared. Within these walls I've seen it all. The things I've learned, the people I've met, the friends I've made, our golden years.
Within these walls, my confidence has grown.
I have made many friends that I will always remember. Thank you, teachers, for supporting me during my journey. I am thankful and will never forget how you helped me. I am now moving on and will continue my journey. I'm ready for it, but will never forget this part of my life.
My school seasons. Like spring, there is a splash of rain and a dash of blooming buds. We make friends and learn about the world. There are sunny days where we can run around and dance in the light, and rainy days where we can play maths games all day long. This is EYFS and it's so much fun.
Like summer, there is a laugh, a cheer, and the sun. We begin to get more curious and hungrier for more knowledge. We write out some stories for our English. We work out some maths problems with our kind friends. This is year 1 and 2, and it's great. Like autumn, things get colourful, things change and disappear. We are older now, more mature. We are in key stage 2. Exciting, harder topics, but we can always do it. Let us be the best we can and have fun whilst we are doing it. This is year 3 and 4, and it is amazing. Like winter with its glittering snow and later its bitter chill, we have the best lessons to learn a lot, but prepare ourselves to leave our school and move to a new one that is bigger and has a new beginning. We will miss our wonderful teachers, friends, and the people who care most about us and the best. This is Year 5, my best year. Our school is fun, our school is great, our school is amazing, and this is the best, and that is why I love it.
My time at LHS. On my first day this January, I met 15 other girls. Some had hair straight and some had curls. Then I met the teachers whose names I didn't know, and the school seemed so big I had no idea where to go.
Time passed by and I got used to this place. Every person I saw had a smile on their face. We did work and we played. There were things that we made. I've learned so much in the time I've spent here. Things such as courage and how to conquer fear. Now I've come to the end of my junior years, and I thank all my teachers, my friends and my peers. Though I'm moving on and different things will be, people here have given me the confidence, and that is the key.
The 7 years at LHS. In my first year at LHS, my teachers gave to me a whole lot of confidence to start a new journey.
In my second year at LHS, I learnt my ABCs. I had my first donkey ride, my friends played with me. In my third year at LHS, I went to Twycross Zoo. I saw all the animals and stinky zebra poo. In my fourth year at LHS, I performed in a play. Lights, camera, action! Hooray, hooray, hooray! In my fifth year at LHS, I studied rivers in Great Glen. My handwriting was so neat, I got a license for a pen. In my sixth year at LHS, we scaled a climbing wall. I made a brilliant buzzer game enjoyed by all. In my seventh year at LHS, I had fun and got so muddy. I conquered many challenges in my LHS hoodie.
Goodbye, juniors. We will miss you, but we are looking forward to the journey ahead. Thank you, everyone, for your support, encouragement, and faith in us.